Welcome to my YouTube channel, Rahul's Lab. In this video, we gonna cover best interviews questions and answer related to the quality department. Please see the full video to get aware of it. You should answer this question like say politely, I am a quality engineer with number years of experience, specializing in your industry, for example, automotive slash SaaS slash pharma. Currently, I'm at current company, where my main focus is ensuring our production processes meets customer expectation and our internal quality standard. Throughout my career, I've moved from simply identifying defects to building systems that prevent them. For example, in my last major project, I led a root cause analysis initiative that reduced our scrap rate by 15%. I'm highly proficient in tools like FMEA, failure mode and effects analysis, and Six Sigma methodologies to drive data-based decisions. Mention tools: Kappa, 8D report, and ISO 9001. What is quality? The answer is quality means consistently delivering products that meet customer expectations and standards, with zero defects and a focus on reliability. It's about building trust through excellence with the customer. Question number 3. What is the difference between quality assurance (QA) and quality control (QC)? The answer is QA is proactive and process-oriented. It focuses on preventing defects. QC is reactive and product-oriented. It focuses on identifying defects in the finished product. Question number 4. Which problem-solving method are you used often? The answer is, I typically use the 5 whys or the fishbone diagram. I start with the symptom, ask why, until the systemic failure is identified, and then implement a corrective action to ensure it never happens again. Question number 7. Which problem-solving method are you used often? The answer is, focus on the solution. I had to inform the lead that our batch failed testing. Along with the news, I brought a data-backed explanation of why it happened and a plan for how we could recover the lost time. Question number 8. Which quality management systems, QMS, or ISO standards are you familiar with? The answer is, tells this to your experience on, for example, ISO 9001, Six Sigma, Lean, or Industry. Question number 9. What are the most important quality metrics to track? The answer is defect density, errors per unit of work. COQ, cost of quality, money versus fixing failures definal people's defected countries. 1. Customer Satisfaction Score, MTBF. Mean time between failures, MTBF. You should also know what the MTBF is. It tells you how long a system typically lives before it breaks down and needs to be fixed. It is a critical calculation for quality engineers to predict performance and plan maintenance schedules. Non-conformance. And how do you manage it? The answer is, a non-conformance is any material, component, or finished product that doesn't meet the specified requirements. My process is identification, segregation, and documentation. I immediately tag and move the items to a red tag or quarantine area so they aren't used. Then, I issue a non-conformance report (NCR) to decide on the disposition, scrap, rework, or use as is after a technical review. Question 12. Explain the 8D problem-solving methodology. Answer is, the 8D method is a structured approach to solving complex problems. It starts with forming the team and describing the problem. Crucially, it includes an interim containment action to protect the customer immediately, followed by identifying the root cause using the 5 whys. We then implement permanent corrective actions and finally recognize the team for preventing reoccurrence. Describe your experience with First Article Inspection, FAI. The answer is, FAI is my green signal for production. I verify that the very first part of the line matches every single dimension and requirement on the engineering drawing. This ensures that the tooling, programs, and setup are 100% correct before we commit to a full production shift. Question number 13. Tell me about a time you stopped a production line. The answer is, I noticed a shift in the tolerance of a critical bore. The operator wanted to keep running to hit the quota, but I called for a line stop. We discovered a loose fixture. By stopping for 20 minutes to tighten it, we prevented 400 parts from being scrapped later that afternoon. It's always cheaper to stop and fix than to run and regret. Basic terms used in the manufacturing industries are as follows. You can go through these for being confident. These basic terms, you must know about it before going to interview. 1. Poka yoke. Mistake proofing. A process, for example, a fixture that only allows a part to be loaded in the correct orientation. 2. Calibration. Ensuring measurement tools, calipers, micrometers, are accurate against a known standard. 3. GD and T. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. The language of engineering drawings. 4. Traceability. The ability to track a part back to its raw material batch and the specific machine/operator that made it. Thanks for watching this video. And I assure that if you prepared all these questions and answers, then you will definitely crack the interview. You can write all these questions on the notebook to get prepared. If you found this add up the value to you, please give feedback and like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your feedback is valuable to us. Thank you and wish you all the best for your interview.